The march of farmers from Punjab to Delhi has started. In view of this, all the borders with Delhi have been sealed. After Monday's meeting, dissatisfied farmers have marched to Delhi on Tuesday. In view of the moment, the borders of Delhi, Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh are sealed. Internet is closed in 7 districts of Haryana and 3 districts of Rajasthan. Section 144 has been implemented in 15 districts. Section 144 has also been imposed in Delhi for 1 month. The administration has banned crowd gathering and entry of tractors. Let us tell you that in the meeting that lasted for 5.5 hours in Chandigarh on the night of 12 February, there was no agreement between the farmer leaders and the union ministers on the Minimum Support Price Act and loan waiver, after which the farmers marched towards Delhi on Tuesday.
न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें इंडियन न्यूज़ को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं।
ये है इंदू ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन न्यूज़, हर पल हर क्षण हर सच।